Hello, here I'm going to show you how you can actually programmatically write into your Google Sheet and using it as a database. Imagine you want to register last name and then email in your, let's say, landing page, right? So how to do that? You have to first create a Google form, and then for each of those columns you have to make a field, setting it with the data type that it is. So short answer, last name is another short answer, and then email, that would be also short answer, right? Short answer, short answer, short answer. And then we come to the setting, to the responses, link it to a sheet, so it's not going to be the same sheet. It's not going to be here, it's going to be, give you, we name it G-Form 1, for example, or my landing page, perhaps better. So it will automatically create that Google Sheet, and it looks like a table. We can see each field now is a column, so we're going to populate that programmatically, right? So we come back to our form, we make it public. Actually, I'm not sure if it has to be public or not. What is important is you copy the link and then you imitate that you are going to answer that survey or that form. And here you come to the inspect, search for something like entry, and it gives you this magical number which correspond to each field. So I'm going to copy each of them, and yeah, here I already have it. We need to have a curl, and then for each column we have something like that, right? So remove this. This is the second one. And then this is the third one. Oops. You have to make sure of these quotations so they are not really there. And then comes to the second one, which has to be sort of ended with form response. So form response has to be right above it. Make sure that you are imitating to respond, otherwise you won't see it. So we come here and then boom. So now we can, let's say, put hello world, right? I make it as a makefile, or it can be a bash script. That's like you have to edit it and then finding those values, and then you can put it in your, using your Python script or whatever sort of backend for your landing page you're using. You can use it, right? So if I do that, then I have to see it here. So let's here say James Watson, right? Now it's there. So what it means that in your landing page, every time you get those values from the HTML, you have to set it here, and then automatically pushing those values into the Google Doc without having any database. I hope you find it relevant, useful. Have a good evening, everyone.